Hi Plant Kids, it's another episode. What I'm gonna do right now, actually ito parang continuation ng ating repotting section. Pero ang nililipat naman natin ngayon, mga cactus. So itong mga cactus na to, most of them have been with me for a year now. Konting-konti lang yung bago. So mamaya identify natin kung sino-sino sila. Kasi gusto ko na silang mapunta sa mas malaking paso. Para mas lumaki na sila. It's time for them to grow. Okay? So meron din tayong ibang ililipat. Tapos papakita ko rin sa inyo mamaya yung mga napugot natin during the second to the last episode para makita nyo na okay sila at itatanim na natin sila today. Okay? Let's do this. So ito na po yung mga pasong gagamitin natin. Ito yung napili ko para dun sa dalawang cactus na posibleng mag trailing. Okay, kaya ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Kasi ito meron siyang pwedeng gawin para mahang natin. Okay, so unahin natin ito.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Today, tutuloy natin yung ating repotting session. So, ngayon, halo-halo yung ipagpapalit-palit natin ng pot kasi depende sa pot na kinalalagyan ng halaman. And as originally planned, so inaayos natin yung mga halaman depende dun sa pot na niya. So kailangan yung pot niya kapareho ng mga kasama niya. Okay? So kaya ngayon, yun yung tatrabahuhin natin. Pagpapalit-palitin natin yung pot ng mga halaman. Okay? So itutuloy lang natin. I already did this the past 2 days. So this is my 3rd day. Hopefully, well, hindi pa to yung last malamang. Kasi may dadating tayo mga halaman galing kay Joshua Cruz again. Mga cactuses ito. So we will see and then we will find out. Pero for now, let's start again. So we're done for today. Naka-4 na tray tayo ng pots na na-repot natin. We only have 1 left, at least for now, kasi yun yung mga umiikot ako, tinitingnan ko sila. Sabi ko, parang mas bagay ito sa ganyan. So itong 6 na lang ang hindi ko nare-repat dahil wala na tayong soil mix. Yung soil mix natin hindi tayo makagawa kasi wala tayong loam soil. So as I said before, gumagamit pa tayo ng loam soil, pero yung airy loam soil, napakagaan po nun nung binibili kong itim na loam soil na yun. So kaya po hindi ako makagawa ng bagong soil mix dahil naubusan tayo nun. Pero the rest, meron tayong buhangin, meron tayong vermicast, at meron po tayong pumice. Okay? So, ngayon, gagawin naman natin, sasamahan nyo ako kung saan natin ilalagay at makikita nyo kung bakit ganun yung ginawa, yun yung pinili kong pot para sa kanila, para makita nyo ngayon kung babagay sila doon. Let's go! Okay, simulan natin sa tray na to. So, makikita nyo, itong unang to, si Fanfare, binago ko ang pot, ginawa kong ganito kasi dito siya babagsak. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga kasama nya. Ayan oh, pare-pareho silang pot. Okay, so pupwesto natin siya dyan. Siya out of place in terms of pot. Okay, next, let's move on. So itong dalawa naman, dito po siya babagsak. Dali ah. So ito kailangan pa natin palitan. Hinahanapan pa natin ng paso. A third one. Yan. So pag nakita mo ngayon, yung dalawang layer na yan, ayan, pare-pareho sila ng pot. So ito, at saka yun, kailangan pa natin palitan. Hindi ko pa talaga kinuha dahil wala pa tayo ng ganito. Hahanapan pa natin dito sa mga ano natin. Pero yung back niya, puro ganon. Ayan. Puro ganyan pot. Pero yung dito sa harapan, dalawang row, ganito na. Okay? So, let's move on. Ito naman, itong dalawa. Alam nyo na kung saan babagsak to. Ayan. Yan. Okay. So, nga mo siya ng malayuan. Ayan na itsura niya. Okay. So, ito na lang ang ano natin. Hahanapan pa natin ng bago. Alam ko meron pa isa. Okay. So, next. So, pagsasama-samahin lang natin, kukuha tayo ng mga ano ha. Pots na pare-pareho. So, ito. Ito pupunta muna sa ating ano, dahil ano pa yan under construction. Ayan. So yan, and then this one, this one, ay meron pa palang isa na pupunta dito. Wait, ayan pala. Ayan. Okay, konti na lang yan. Then ito, wait ah. And this. Yeah. Okay? So bubuhatin natin ngayon siya, pero hindi natin siya kaya ng isang kamay. So, sandali lang. white. Ngayon, itong nabubulok na to, papalitan natin yan. May na-order na tayong bago. Pero yan. Okay? So, ayan sila. Puro sila vertical and then puro sila square pots. Okay? Yan. Dito, ayusin pa natin ng konti ito. Yung big nating Black Prince. Hahanapin na natin ng pwesto. Ayun, dun. Si Kissing, aalisin muna natin dun. Sililipat natin to. Baba muna natin si Kissing. Dahil si Black Prince ang malakas sa araw. Yan. Okay. So same size, pot size sila dyan. Okay. So ito na lang ang aayusin natin. So it's a little after lunch and magli-late lunch kami. But yeah, I just finished everything here. Buti na lang natapos ko na siya. And then we'll just move on to the next project. Okay, yung ibang iriripat natin, doon na lang natin isasama sa update na yan. Okay? So, let's start and give you a quick tour. Okay? Ito na nga po yung sinabi ko sa shelf na to. Ayan. Pare-pareho na siya. Konting-konti na lang at magkakapare-pareho na yan. And then here, yan. Yan, dalawa na lang din sa dalawang dulo ang papalitan natin. But so far, we're doing good. Pare-pareho na rin ang ganyang pot. And then here, ayan. Pare-pareho na rin siyang pot. And then here, ay dito muna. So, yan. So, isang row na pareho doon. Isang row na pareho dito. And then here, ito, tumuloy dito. And then bigger pots doon sa likod. With bigger plants. Ayun yung pinakabago. Okay, and then here, sa lapag, ito temporary pa lang naman to, pero yun nga, gusto ko makita siya ng pare-pareho. So ito pare-pareho na siya. Ito masasama yan dito and then dito sa mga to. Yan, pare-pareho na siya. Here, okay naman siya, wala tayong masyadong binago dyan. And then dito, yan, nire-arrange lang natin. So nilagay natin sa harapan yung mga curly pots dito. Ayan. Iba-ibang size nilagay natin sa gitna yung pinakamalaki. And then dun sa middle part yung ganito. Ayan. As much as we can, and then merong mga iba na doon. Tapos yung mga mixed pots yung nasa likod. Okay. And dito sa baba, ayan, yung mga wala pa, hindi pa natin naayos ang pot. So pero most probably mga ganitong bigger pots yung ilalagay natin dyan. Dito wala na tayong binago kasi ayos na yung second, third, and first layer natin. Sa cactus area, so square pots na sila, and then tall cacti ang nasa taas with our moon cactuses na may isang bulok. And then dito, ayan yung pare-parehong pot na to. And then ito sa pinakababa. So dito minove lang natin yung mga aloes natin dito. Kasi hindi natin ginalaw yung likod at saka yung gitna. Pero dito, ayan. So itong taas hindi natin ginalaw. Itong middle part, itong second layer, yung middle part, itinaas natin ang ating mga dish gardens. Tapos binaba natin itong dalawa. Tapos iginit na natin si ano para pare-pareho rin silang pot. Ayan. Okay, and then yung isang dish garden, yung isa sa mga bagong dish garden natin andito with the two hawos. Ayan. And ito hindi ko pa alam kung saan natin ilalagay. Tapos yung iba natin maliliit, ayan, nandyan lang. Okay? Ito na po yung mga pinugutan natin at itinanim na ulit after 24 hours. So si banana, si Laxiflora, sila variegated minibel, si ghosty, si rose cabbage, si purple delight, at si sedum adolphi. Okay, ang mga nilipat naman natin, well, alam ko hindi to si Neon Breaker eh. Parang si Jocelyn's Joy to. Pinagpalit natin sila para ito kinuha natin doon, nilagay natin dito, at yun dito inilagay natin dyan at doon. Ayan, may bagong pot, si Mother of Millions. Ginawa ko lang lush si Mother of Millions. So that ends our episode. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you are enjoying kasi ito nga ako, nag-i-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. Paulit-ulit nakakapagod pero masaya. Hindi siya yung pagod na nakaka-stress. Isa siyang physical work na nakaka-tanggal ng stress, nakaka-relieve siya ng stress because you are looking at your plants. Katulad nga ng mga niripat natin ngayon sa episode na to, yung mga cactuses, mga cacti, kalimihan kasi sa kanila 1 year na sa akin and above. Tapos yung iba more than 3 months. So this concludes our episode for today. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo yung ating ginawa ngayon. Actually ngayon simple lang, nag-repot lang tayo, tapos nag-update tayo dun sa mga pinugutan natin. So hopefully you will watch our next episode. And to give you an idea, ito ang ating ilan sa gagamitin sa susunod nating episode. Okay? Hope you'll be there. See you. Bye, Plant Kids.